Welcome to Mr. Show. Imagine standing on the streets of New York in 1930, then watching a giant skyscraper rise from the ground so fast that people could hardly believe their eyes. In just 410 days, America accomplished what many engineers thought was impossible. But how did thousands of workers build the tallest building on Earth without modern technology? This is the incredible story of the Empire State Building. Everything began after the demolition of the famous Waldorf Astoria Hotel. Within days, the site transformed into one of the busiest construction zones in America. Engineers dug deep into Manhattan's solid bedrock, creating a foundation powerful enough to carry a giant that would soon dominate the skyline. Then came the steel. Every morning, enormous cranes lifted massive steel beams high above the city, while fearless ironworkers balanced on narrow girders hundreds of feet in the air. Without modern safety harnesses, they walked across thin steel beams, carrying heavy tools with breathtaking confidence. One small mistake could have been fatal, yet the work never stopped. Day after day, the building climbed higher. New floors appeared so quickly that newspapers struggled to keep up with its progress. Thousands of glowing red-hot rivets were thrown through the air, caught with incredible precision and hammered into place, locking the massive steel skeleton together. As the tower reached the clouds, limestone panels covered the steel frame, giving the building its elegant Art Deco design. Thousands of windows reflected the sunlight across Manhattan, while inside, electricians, plumbers, elevator specialists and engineers worked around the clock to transform an empty framework into a modern skyscraper. Then came the most dramatic moment. The giant steel spire was slowly lifted to the very top. Suspended high above New York City, every movement had to be perfect. As the final section locked into place, the Empire State Building officially became the tallest building in the world. On May 1st, 1931, its doors opened to the public. More than just a skyscraper, it became a symbol of hope during one of America's most difficult times. It proved that determination, teamwork, and engineering could achieve what once seemed impossible. Today, more than 90 years later, millions of people still look up at the Empire State Building with the same sense of wonder. It is not just made of steel and stone. It is built from courage, vision, and one extraordinary dream that changed New York forever. Thanks for watching Mr. Show. Subscribe for more AI cinematic documentaries exploring America's greatest engineering wonders.